this image, to bring this in. Let's add some camera raw, filter, camera raw, effect, basically add a little contrast. I want clarity, I want it to be a bit sharp. It's too much. Just a little shadow. I'll bring the shadow out. The highlight, let's make the highlight a bit high. Contrast, then a little, just a little of everything. Now look at the picture. This is before and this is after. All right, what we just quickly, one or two effects on the picture as well. Add a little brilliance. Click on this to click mark on the picture. Add a little, just a little, just maybe like 2 or 3. 2, 3. Then we add, let's go back there, fill, %, gray. Then we have it as linear light. With this, I can actually, we come here, linear light. With this, I can actually adjust. Let me duplicate it. I can adjust the highlights and the dodge. So right click here, create clip marks. Right click on the first one to create clip marks. Because this highlight is for the dodge, to apply, it will lighten up the places that should be. Apply the dodge, let's reduce the exposure to maybe like 10. So apply it on the white. Anyway, I see that it's a bit bright. That's where I'm going to apply it. Now let's apply the bond too. You can reduce the fill or the opacity just a little. Apply the bond too. Come to the bond too. Increase it a little. Reduce the exposure as well to maybe 10. And apply it here. You can reduce this as well. Now if I adjust this, and this before and this after. Reduce the opacity a little. All right, now let's just have a little curve just to darken up part a little. Let me use the brush, increase the size of the brush. And we're gonna apply black on the image. Then behind this picture, we can have little white. Apply a little brush on there so that it can really pop out. Just a little. And after which you can apply hue and saturation just a little.